Today, we're talking about summer internships. And I know what you're thinking. Summer is made to enjoy the sun, relax, and hang out with your friends. However, let me tell you 5 reasons why having a summer internship will benefit you and your career. Number 1, skill development. Internships can help students develop important skills that are crucial in the workplace, such as problem solving, time management, communication, and so much more. Number 2 is networking. Having an internship will allow you to build relationships with people from your environment and your career path, which will then open up opportunities for job offers, work relationships, and so much more. Number 3 is career exploration. So through internships, students will have the chance to explore different career paths and industries and figure out what's right for them. Number 4 is confidence building. Successfully completing an internship will give you the confidence and boost that you need to successfully enter the workforce once you graduate. Number 5 and final reason is CV building. Having a summer internship will add significant value into your CV and put you ahead of your competition. Remember, you decided to study in London due to its vast opportunity that the city offers, so make sure that you take advantage of it.